I'm going to show you how to fix the Hisense model number 55H6510G. I have two of them behind me with mainboard failures. Now, the common symptoms we see is, for example, this one, it will turn on. I do get to navigate the initial setup menu, but eventually it shuts itself off. I have this one over here, which does turn on. We do get the your device has failed verification, system halted, and then it'll shut itself off and then reboot on its own. Both of those are mainboard failures. So we'll open them up and show you how to fix that. In order to access the mainboard, I've placed our TV face down on a blanket and we're going to remove the back cover. We're going to start by removing some of the screws. And we'll want to note that this one actually is a different type of screw. It is a plastic screw as opposed to the metal screws, which are all the other ones. So we're going to place this one off to the side. Now your back cover should just lift off. For this unit, we have a power supply mainboard combo, so it's all in one board. Now all we need to do to fix this TV is to replace that mainboard. But before I show you how to do that, if you have found the video helpful or useful so far, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more content. All right, we're first going to start by disconnecting some of the connectors, starting with power, then the audio. Now we have two ribbons over here. They're connected with this latch mechanism. So the black latch, you'll want to flip it up and then you can wiggle out the ribbon. We'll do the same here. We have our IR and buttons. We'll wiggle that out. We're going to leave this one alone for now and we're going to disconnect the LEDs at the top. So just wiggle them out gently. The wires are fragile. Next, we're going to go ahead and unscrew the mainboard. And now we can lift it up and gently wiggle it out. So this connector will have to wiggle out. And there we go. If you're interested in purchasing one of these circuit boards, we will have them available for sale on our website, and I will have a link in the video description down below. Now, we also will have a cheaper option for you to mail in your defective circuit board, and we will go ahead and fix it on a component level for you. Now, both options do come with a 1-year warranty, but if you're curious and interested as to how we do a component level repair, stick around, we're just about to show you. Most often, the problem we see with these main boards is a software-based failure. Now, the software itself is actually okay. The issue comes from the chip that holds the software. And for this main board, it's going to be on an eMMC chip. Now that chip is located underneath this heatsink, so let's take it off and take a closer look. On the back over here, I have two plastic clips. So using my needle nose pliers, I'm going to pinch them and push them through. And here it is. And as you can tell, it doesn't have any legs. And that's because it sits on a ball grid array. And we call these BGA chips, ball grid array. What this means is we're going to have to use a rework machine in order to remove that chip. What a rework machine does is it heats up the chip both from the top and the bottom of the board at the same time until we reach the solder's melting point. Then we can go ahead and remove that chip and replace it with a good one. So let's get started with that. Let's put the defective eMMC in our programmer to check its condition. And today we're going to be using the XGECU T56 eMMC programmer, which is a much more affordable programmer than the Easy JTAG Plus, which we've been using in our prior videos. Now, as you can see on the screen, the lifetime used is only 20 to 30%, which means for this one, I was wrong. The eMMC chip is still in good condition, but the software seems to have gotten corrupted. When this happens, we still replace the eMMC with a brand new one. Okay, we finished reinstalling our replacement eMMC chip, so now the board is ready to be live tested. I just need to put the heatsink back on first. So we've actually finished fixing two main boards, and we've just installed both of them in our TVs, which are now both fully functional. If you're interested in one of the eMMC programmer tools, we will have them available for sale. We'll also have a link in the video description down below. Otherwise, if you like the video, if you like the content, make sure to leave us a like, subscribe for more, and thanks for watching.